No object. Object in front. Detected and amplified up to a 4 volts, which will be enough to trigger the NOR gate and tell the device that it has detected an object. If the device is removed, does not detect anything, it will not trigger anything anymore. With the object in front of it, 40 kilohertz pulse coming out, that's what we detect. If we increase to 50 kilohertz, we'll see that with the object still in front, it's not detecting anything because we're not sending it out at the right frequency. And this also shows that we're able to handle high frequency noise using the bandpass filter that we have at the end, so it won't amplify any frequency that isn't the one we're intending to detect. Again, we're detecting the object here with a 40 kilohertz wave coming out, and this is the signal that we return. If there is some sort of noise at lower frequencies, say at 1000 hertz, because of the bandpass filters we have, this should not be detected at the output. And that's what we see here. Nothing at the output, no signal, no noise that's going to be able to trigger the counter and at the incorrect times. All right, now that we have proven the functionality of the amplifier to be able to receive a reflected signal off an object and amplify it accordingly, we have added the rectification stage. So to simulate it, once again, we have a 50 millivolt signal going out at 40 kilohertz, which is what we will be operating at. And then over here, we have added this final stage here with a diode going to a resistor and a capacitor. The resistor is at 50 kilo ohms, and this is just a regular 1N4001G diode. So initially when we're sending out the signal, but there's no connection, so simulating that we have not received anything, there is no signal being detected. We have a 1 volt signal, which is not enough to trigger the counter. And then we plug this in to indicate that we have received a signal at 40 kilohertz. We see that it jumps up to 4 volts, which is what we want. That's enough to trigger the NOR gate and allow us to start the count, or to stop the counter, to indicate that we have detected the object.